Region 9, Western Mindanao Region and Zamboanga Peninsula. Objectives. This report contains culture, geography, land and landforms, language spoken, festivals and fiestas, tourist spots and destinations, major ethnic group, beliefs and religion. So first, we have the Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga Peninsula, located in the western part of the island of Mindanao in the Philippines, is known for its rich culture, diverse geography, and vibrant festivals. Like, ang Zamboanga Peninsula daw is nakalocate sa western part of the island sa Mindanao, and then, known siya sa iyang rich na culture, diverse geography, and vibrant festivals. Culture. Zamboanga Peninsula is a melting pot of different cultures influenced by the indigenous peoples, Spanish colonization, and Islamic traditions. The region is known for its colorful and unique blend of traditions, dances, music, and arts. Okay, the second, geography. Zamboanga Peninsula has a land area of approximately 17,029 square kilometers. It is characterized by a mix of coastal plains, rugged mountains, and fertile valleys. The region boasts stunning natural landscapes including pristine beaches, lush forests, and majestic mountains. Language spoken. The main language spoken in the Zamboanga Peninsula is Chavacano, a Spanish-based Creole language. It is a unique dialect that combines Spanish vocabulary with the indigenous and Filipino words. However, Tagalog and English are also widely understood and spoken in the region. Festivals and fiestas. Zamboanga Peninsula is known for its colorful festivals and fiestas, showcasing the region's cultural heritage and religious devotion. One of the most famous festivals is the Zamboanga Hermosa Festival, held in every October in Zamboanga City. It is a month-long celebration that features street dances, pageants, cultural exhibits, and a grand fluvial procession. Zamboanga Tourist Spots. Tourist Spots and Destination. Zamboanga Peninsula offers a wide range of tourist spots and destinations. Some popular attractions include the Great Santa Cruz Island. Known for its pink sandy beach, this island is a must-visit destination for beach lovers. Like daw the Great Santa Cruz Island kay known siya nga pink iyang ng sand na beach. Fort Pilar, a Spanish-era fort in Zamboanga City, now turned into a museum and a shrine. It is a significant historical landmark in the region. Merlopit Falls, a picturesque waterfall located in Zamboanga del Sur, offering a refreshing and scenic spot for nature enthusiasts. Zamboanga City Hall, an architectural masterpiece known for its pink color and intricate design, showcasing the city's unique culture. Major ethnic group. The major ethnic group in Zamboanga Peninsula is the Subanil people. They are indigenous to the region and have a rich cultural heritage. They have their own language, traditions, and belief systems, which are deeply rooted in their connection to nature. Beliefs and region in Zamboanga Peninsula. Zamboanga Peninsula is a diverse region with various religious beliefs. The majority of the population practices Roman Catholicism, followed by Islam. Both religions have a significant influence on the region's cultures and way of life. Other religious groups also exist, contributing to the region's religious. So, ang pinakataas nga kanang religious sa Zamboanga Peninsula is Roman Catholic. Tapos, kasunod tayo ng Islam. Tapos, na tayo other religious nga exist. Zamboanga Peninsula offers a fascinating mix of culture, breathtaking natural beauty,